What's up, guys? So I'm all about sharing everything that's happening here. It's in here Founders Art Trade. I trade Forex, and I want to show you one example of trade right now in the Asian session. And give me a second. I don't know if I have this open. I don't know if that's gonna affect the video, but I'm about to get probably stopped out in that trade, and I don't really care at this point. But I do want to show you what's the important part of that trade and why I took that trade first of all. Okay, I'll leave the trade open there, and we'll see at the end what it gives me. I don't have much hope for the trade now because it's almost about to hit a stop loss, so we'll see. So the idea behind that trade is a trade taken in the Asian session. So at the beginning of the Asian session, you often have those consolidation. And I wrote a full post, by the way, on Desire to Trade about that strategy. But oftentimes at the beginning of the session, you're going to have some sort of consolidation. Okay, this is what we had from 5 to 7 here. Okay, so I'll just draw a little bit of... give me a second. I'll just draw this right here. So we had this line here that I drew in the past. Right there. And this high right here. Okay. This is the consolidation we had. Now, early in the Asian session, I was doing an interview or something else, and this broke out. We broke out of the range. And then we had this confirmation. So we had this first pullback, broke down below the low. And this is where I entered the trade. Because the trade was a little bit lower here. But I was still taking the trade anyway, because it's still valid for me. And I know that by experience, it can still go really, really far. I guess I'm taking the trade anyway. And so stop loss was placed a little bit here above. Take profit 2 to 1, which is right there. Okay, usually those trades is going to go pretty fast. Okay, you can have the big move pretty early. So if the trade is not coming in the right direction straight away, it's a sign that the trade is not going to be good. So that's why we close the trade here. And I know some people are going to put their stop loss above right there. I really don't see the point of putting a stop loss there, because the trade is really rarely going to be valid if we come back in the range and we start to do anything in the range. So I'll leave the video open. I don't know if I've been stopped out yet. This is right there. So I'm not stopped out yet, but we'll see. I gave some room to the stop loss. We'll see what happens with that trade. And I might fast forward the video if needed, if it's too long, but we'll see what happens with that trade. There you go. So we're out on this trade. I do want to remind one thing here, that I do not feel stressed or angry or anything because of that trade, right? And that's something people don't understand. Okay, if you're going to start to feel angry because you lost on one trade here, well, guess what's going to happen in the next trade? You're going to feel the same way, and you're not going to come into trading with the right mindset, because that's what's important for you to not care about this. And I couldn't care less about showing this and showing you what happened. That trade wasn't so big. Okay, so I lost maybe $30 on this. It's not huge. And I know it's still gonna not impact the next trade I'll have. So I'm going to do something else now, because this is pretty much the end of the session for me. I don't trade much in the Asian session now, but that's pretty much it. So thanks guys for watching. If you like the video, like it. If you like authenticity like this, check out the Facebook group at thisarttrade.com/group. I try to post everything I do, all my best trades, and I share a lot of articles. So you guys are definitely gonna benefit from it. So thisarttrade.com/group. You join the Facebook group for free, and I really look forward to see you there. If you have any questions, comments, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them and help you out in trading. So on that note, I'll see you pretty soon. Ciao.